Have you ever felt like starting something new was a leap into the unknown? Like stepping onto a stage with all the lights shining directly on you and wondering if anyone will show up to watch? If that is how you feel about starting a YouTube channel, let me tell you something. You are not alone. Starting on YouTube feels like a big deal because, well, it is. It's not just hitting record on the camera, it's about putting yourself and your ideas out there. But here is the best part. When you root your channel in your niche, your unique area of expertise, passion, or experience, you are not just creating random videos. You are building something sustainable, something valuable, and something that could be life-changing for at least one person in the entire world. Hey there, I'm Lydia and welcome back to Marketing Your Niche. If you are here, it's because you are ready to uncover your niche, monetize your skills, and create something meaningful in the online world. Today we are diving into starting a YouTube channel, and not just any YouTube channel. I'm talking about creating a channel that's aligned with your niche, a channel that doesn't just speak to everyone but speaks to the right audience, the people who need what you bring to the table. Let's get started. Having been a teacher, I love guiding my students to enhance their skills, explore their passions, and unleash their creativity. Little did I know, I was actually helping them to lay the groundwork for their own unique paths. That's why I launched this podcast, to assist you in doing the same. Marketing your niche, it's all about discovering your niche, taking action before you are ready, focusing on consistent progress, and move ahead to building a profitable online business, even if you are not sure you are doing it right. Tune in for practical advice, actionable marketing tips, and strategies to build a business that brings you more freedom, more profit, even more joy. Let's get started. Before we dive in, I have some exciting news to share. My website, lydiabremer.com, is in works and set to launch by the end of this month. I'm creating a hub just for you, packed with free resources on marketing, building an email list, and finding your niche. Whether you are just starting or looking to level up, there will be tools and tips to help you along the way. So mark your calendars and be sure to check it out once it's live. I can't wait to share it with you. Let's set the stage now. Imagine for a moment that your niche is like a tiny seed. At first, it's small and delicate, and it might not look like much, right? But when you plant it, water it, and give it a sunlight, in this case by sharing it on YouTube, it grows into a flourishing tree. It starts to bear fruit in the form of views, engagement, and eventually income. Your YouTube channel is like the soil you plant that seed in, and every video is a way to nourish it. When I first thought about starting a YouTube, I had all the unusual fears. What if I sound awkward? What if no one is watching? What if my ideas aren't good enough? Sounds familiar? These are fears and they are natural, but they are also not your reality. Your niche, your knowledge, your story, your perspective always makes you valuable. YouTube is simply the vehicle to share the value with the world. So let's break this down, starting with why YouTube channel is such a powerful tool for building your niche. YouTube isn't just a platform, it's a search engine. People go there to find answers, solve problems, and be inspired. If your niche solves a problem or offers something unique, your audience is already on YouTube searching for you. They just don't know you exist yet. For example, if your niche is helping people organize their chaotic schedules, someone right now is typing how to stay organized with a busy life into the YouTube search bar. When your video pops up with actionable tips, you are immediately position yourself as an authority in your niche. But how do you get started? Let's talk about your first video because that's where most people get stuck. A lot of people think their first video has to be perfect. They think they need a perfect camera, the perfect background, and the perfect script. But let me tell you something. Perfection is overrated, doesn't exist. The goal of your first video isn't to go viral or get thousands of views. It is to start. Your first video is like a practice round. It's messy, it's awkward, and that's okay. In fact, it's better actually than okay because it's real. Let me give you an example. When Virginia Keir, a YouTuber who now teaches others how to shine on camera, started her channel, her first videos weren't polished. They were simple and honest, but they showed her passion for helping others. And guess what? That passion connected with her audience. Today she is thriving, and her early videos are a testament of her growth. When you are creating your first video, think about it like this. What's one big thing you can teach or share that is tied to your niche? For example, if your niche is helping people over 40 start a side hustle, your first video could be 3 simple side hustles for beginners over 40. Notice how the title speaks directly to your niche audience. It tells them who the video is for and what they will get out of it. Recording that first video will feel awkward. It is always like that. But here is a trick that works. Imagine you are talking to one person, someone who needs your help. Picture them sitting across from you as you explain your ideas. This approach makes your tone more conversational and engaging. Now, let's talk about consistency. Starting a YouTube channel isn't about throwing one video into the void and hoping for the best. It's about showing up regularly and building trust with your audience. Think of your videos as little breadcrumbs that lead people back to you and your niche. The more breadcrumbs you leave, the more likely people are to follow the trail. Here is another thing. You don't need to be an expert to start. You just need to be one step ahead of your audience. For example, if you are on the journey to learn digital marketing and that's your niche, your videos could document your process. What I learned about SEO this week, for example, or my first month trying Facebook ads, are great ways to position yourself as relatable while still offering value. Once you've got a few videos under your belt, you can start thinking about how to connect them to your niche monetization strategy. For instance, if your niche is fitness for busy mom, you could create videos like 5 minutes workouts for busy mom and eventually offer a downloadable workout guide for purchase. Your YouTube channel becomes the bridge between your audience discovering you and your audience investing in your expertise. I know what you might be thinking. What if my niche is too small? What if no one is interested? Well, here is the truth. There is no such thing as a niche that is too small. In fact, the smaller your niche, the more focused your audience will be, and the easier it will be to be connected with them. Think about it. Would you rather be one of the million fitness YouTubers or the one YouTuber helping fitness enthusiasts with chronic back pain? Niche down and you'll stand out. Remember, YouTube is a long game. It's not about instant success. It's about showing up, creating content that aligns with your niche, and serving your audience consistently. Along the way, you learn what works, what doesn't, and how to refine your message at the end. As you grow, don't forget to engage with your viewers, respond to their comments, ask them questions, and create content based on their feedback. If somebody asks, can you make a video about ABC, and it fits with your niche, then do it. This engagement builds trust and community, which are priceless when it comes to monetizing your niche. Before we wrap up, let me leave you with this. Starting on YouTube is not just about making videos. It's about creating a ripple effect. Every video you upload is a chance to inspire someone, solve a problem, or spark an idea. And when you tie your content to your niche, that ripple effect becomes even more powerful. So if you've been waiting for a sign to start your YouTube channel, this is it. Your audience is out there waiting for you to show up. Don't let the fear of imperfection hold you back. Take that first step, plant the seed, and watch it grow. I would love to hear about your YouTube journey. What's your niche and what is stopping you from starting? Share it with me in the comments below and tag me on social media if you like. And if you need more tips on finding and monetizing your niche, check out my earlier episodes. Before we wrap up, don't forget to keep an eye out for the launch of my website, lydiabremer.com, at the end of this month. It's going to be your go-to resource for all things like niche marketing, building an email list, and growing your online presence. Plus, there will be freebies you won't want to miss. I'm so excited to help you take the next step in your journey, so be sure to visit once it's live. Until next time, I'm Lydia, reminding you that your niche isn't just an idea, it's your future. Now go create it.